In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Telegram user. If you've come across a message that's spammy, abusive, or otherwise harmful, reporting it helps keep the platform safer for everyone. Today, we'll do this on Telegram Web, which you can access in your browser without installing anything. Make sure you're signed in and that you know exactly which message you want to report, because you'll be flagging a specific message rather than the entire chat. Start by opening Telegram Web and navigating to the chat where the message appears. This could be a private conversation, a group, or a channel. Scroll to the exact message that violates Telegram's guidelines. Focusing on the specific message ensures moderators see the right context and can make a faster decision. Next, right-click the message you find inappropriate. This brings up the Message Options menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. Be careful to click the exact message, not just anywhere in the chat, so you don't accidentally report the wrong content. From the menu, choose Report if it's available. Not every message will show this option. If you don't see Report, it may be due to the type of chat, the message's permissions, or the version of Telegram Web you're using. Try refreshing the page and ensure you're using the latest version of the web app. If Report still isn't there, it likely means this message can't be reported directly from your interface. If Report is available, you'll be asked to pick a reason. Choose the category that best matches what you're seeing. Spam is for unsolicited or repetitive messages. Scam covers fraudulent schemes, phishing attempts, or impersonation. Violence includes threats or content inciting harm. There may be other categories for explicit content or hate speech depending on your region and app version. Select the most accurate option and, if a comment field appears, briefly explain what's wrong in clear, neutral terms. Short, specific details help moderators understand the issue quickly. Finally, confirm your report. Once submitted, Telegram's moderation systems will review it. Your report is not shared with the other user, and they won't be told who reported them. Only report content that genuinely violates guidelines. False or frivolous reports make moderation less effective. For immediate danger or emergencies, always contact local authorities first, as in-app reports aren't designed for urgent response. That's it. Open Telegram Web and find the message, right-click it. Choose Report. If you see the option, select the appropriate reason and confirm. Thanks for doing your part to keep conversations safe and constructive.